Hi, today I'm going to teach you on how to bulk edit prices in Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On Shopify, press Products and choose the products you want to edit the price of. For example, we're going to choose these, for example, for this tutorial. Now we're going to press Bulk Edit. And on here, on the top right, press Columns. Scroll down until you see Pricing, and in Pricing, make sure that Base Price is only checked. Now from here, in order to change everything, so let's say $100, just move the cursor here on the top and make sure to select everything out. And from there, simply type the price that you want it to be changed to. Let's say $100. And as you can see, we bulkly edit the prices for all these products. On the top right, simply click Save. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.